Today's top news headlines. Nagaland leader T.R. Jelyang informs NSC and IM agreed to resume peace talks with the government of India over the vexed Naga political issue. Joint leadership of Longmai village, None district decries over slow progress of infrastructure development in complete projects in None district. BJP organizes mega cleanliness drive at different places as part of PM Modi's 72nd birthday celebrations. MLA KH Joy Kisan slams Excise Department for its silence over war against drugs campaign. And India records 5,664 fresh COVID cases along with 35 fatalities in past 24 hours. Good evening, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. I'm LAKSHMIBAI. Now the news in details. NPF leader and chairman of the United Democratic Alliance UDA T.R. Jelyang has informed that NSC and IM agreed to resume peace talks with the government of India over the vexed Naga political issue. The NSC and IM leadership is likely to meet the representatives of the government of India on Tuesday, September 20. However, the NSC and IM has stated that they would resume the peace talks with the goal only if the discussions are based on the framework agreement. T.R. Jelyang added that NSC and IM has expressed unhappiness over omission of some formulation papers that were submitted by former interlocutor and Nagaland Governor R. N. Ravi. Notably, members of the core committee of the Nagaland government met the NSC and IM leadership at the Chaumo Kedima Police Complex in Dimapur, Nagaland on Saturday evening. Notably, the peace talks between the NSC and IM and the government of India goal over the Naga political issues have hit roadblocks since May this year. The NSC and IM has been adamant on their stand of a separate Naga flag and constitution. Meanwhile, reports have emerged that the government of India is mulling to incorporate the Naga constitution, the Yezavo, into the Indian constitution. Moreover, reports also claim that the center has agreed for a civil and cultural flag for the Nagas. The joint leadership of Longmai village, None district decried over the slow progress of infrastructure development and incomplete projects in None district headquarters. The joint leadership of Longmai village inspected the ongoing incomplete development projects which are being taken up in Longmai village, such as None DC's office building, Block Institute of Teacher Education, BITE, Sports Center, SDO Block Office, Community Water Reservoir Pond and PMJSY roads, etc. Talking to media, Ading Golmay, court member, Longmai Village Authority, said people of None district is facing lots of problems and inconveniences due to the lack District Administration Office, DC's office of its own and functioning with less number of officials. He said that the foundation stone of the incomplete DC office building was laid in 2019 by CMN Biren and the targeted completion of the project was in December 2021. But it is still struggling to complete due to lack of manpower and construction materials. Till now, only 55% construction works has already been completed and 45% is still pending. He appealed to the government and the contractors to increase the number of manpower to expedite construction and complete for inauguration. It may be mentioned that the construction works of None DC's office complex is going on by a contractor under state PWD with a project cost of 7 crores. The inspection team includes Kasai Gai Gangmei, Chairman, Longmai Village Authority, Gaila Chung Kamei, Secretary, Longmai Village Authority, Kagui Chung Gonmei, Chairman, Longmai Pai Customary Court, Kenan Kamei, Court Member, Longmai Village Authority, and other village authority leaders and CSO leaders. BJP organized a cleanliness campaign in and around the Bishnupur District Hospital as part of the celebrations for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 72nd birthday today. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Asada, Youth Affairs and Sports and Works Minister Govindas Kontozam, Loktak Development Authority Chairman M. Ashni Kumar, BJP State General Secretary P. Premananda, District President R.K. Bimola and other BJP members also took part in the cleanliness drive. BJP President Asada urged people to support the campaign, which aims to assist and make sacrifices for the welfare of the populace. She also said, similar to cleaning oneself, one should also clear one's mind of corruption, which requires cooperation from others.
Aikoi fattaba amorpa pudingma hengdokhraga bharota se afaba santi leiba ingchikpa aduga healthy oiba aduba development da progress leiba damdamama oinanabagi adugo pandamni mapung oina corruption muthatpagi adugumba putningda wakalda leiriba amorpa duba wa yauna aikoi sengdo akanda afaba bharata ma oinanabagi pandamaduda ekoi Bharat ki Prime Minister to bibiba message adu ngasi ekoina mafam khudingmakta Bharat ki Prime Minister miyam seva tobagi wakhalo adu ekoi Bharatiya Janata Party na thabakta ekoi utnana ba hotnajaban.
Bishnupur BJP Mandal also organized a cleanliness drive at Ningthokhong Municipal Council area. Youth Affairs and Sports and Works Minister Govindas Kontozam, Mandal President and Ragumani District President R.K. Bimola, General Secretary Organization R.K. Folmani, District General Secretary H. Iboyaima, Bishnupur Mandal Mahila Morcha President A. Bembem and Councillor of Ningthokhong Municipal Council also attended the drive. Despite of the heavy rain, BJP members cleaned the area using a fire brigade's water pipe. Minister Govindas Kontozam stated that it is crucial to maintain a clean environment. Thangmaiban MLA KH Joy Kisan has slammed that the Excise Department, which is supposed to do its duties, is silent while Kada bans liquor and BZYM conducts drive against drugs and narcotic substance. He made the statement while attending the 11th Foundation Day of Students' Union of Kanglei Park Suk. The observance was held at the Maipa Banquet Hall, Palace Compound. President of Suk, Dhanakumar Ningthoza, Chairman of Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur, Chingambam Sarat, President of Committee of Civil Societies, Kanglei Park, Jitendra Ningomba, among others, also attended the observance. Prizes were also distributed to the winner of debate competition held yesterday and toppers of coaching test during the observance. MLA Joy Kisan urged to all the concerns to collectively work in uprooting the drug menace for the state rather than pointing fingers at others' efforts. Expressing concern over the increasing abuse of drugs and narcotic substances in the state, he questioned if there is a loopholes in policies and program of the authority in fighting against drugs.
Drug impact tauraga apni tungdi hogar kadrega mairoksi punamochi taura chaklo koina lambi thong sema kare kore sapot pagi economy line sema kare kore khwaidagi maru ori bati apni hogal kodre youngsters sing mairo kudasing ikal rumya kannes onbar same so mayam mo siloga ko thong kabuda me takri dai ai party yam chauthuk chani ngai oi ba koi BJYM na drug pagal abane kada ana yunchi abane ba excise department ho to lep abane onbar same ni pamja ba drug se muthat pa do kai lo phori ga she masdai da koi na lebak myam di shakal naharo di tongan pasie so maya ba ni de session ai nijari ago pun mogi pandam di lenga na suibini akoi na suibini ma na suibini dai taro ben potuk se ai ene lo dai ta kutu mutu lo raga akoi puna mogi ithong se manipur dagi miyam na kinari batta se pun kutu pe se masida oi se suki foundation sile se to mare to min se se men thang jage
Andhra MLA Thaunawzam Syam Kumar has expressed that flagship program of School Fagat Hansi Mission is losing its objective as teachers always look for convenient place of posting. He was speaking to media on the sideline of cleanliness drive conducted under Sewa Pakwada organized by BJP Andhra Mandal at Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya School commemorating Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 72nd birthday. MLA added that the cleanliness drive was conducted in fulfilling the vision of the Prime Minister to serve sacrifice and cleanliness. Replying to a query by media, MLA stated that it is unfortunate to learn that only a few teachers are teaching around 1,000 students studying at Morangburel High School.
Honorable Prime Minister ki sahi dragani koi subagi party da nimel asig mai lena na namdam masigi sata sati singasi awareness padan pi dona mai masina thina tamagi pandam da amadi thamoi goi balu nan ba amne laiba namdam laiba school education secondary college sing amadi laido mayam singasi yam thamoi sengna lu nama thamas mai tona yam mek sengna laila su taban bagi pandam amada koi swen service yam to bani ado sata ri involve to holaga koi gi mahila ki dagi mandal ki tongan koi BJP biba adi onema Prime Minister but haje biba mayam leng biga tuna koi swen service yang ninthina pangthe asina tai madari onema Prime Minister gi asangoi vision asina Bharat ase amasi India ase mangin thama maleng le pak mayam da amang no soidana wina wina koi su kan hodari prathana tawri adona I wish to onema Prime Minister a happy birthday.
Now let's take a short break. Keep watching.
DS Enterprises Kasamthong na organize tawba mga suba langbal kaikil nakadol ba September gi tang taraga tagi October gi tang taraga ni thoi phawba palace compound na leiba hapta kangjai bung da pangthok sarga
langbal kaikil asida Manipur da leiba full khudingmak ki cultural item amadi store sin thongbidan
mangarak suba langbal kaikil asida national amadi international gi oiba so chama hena saruk yagadori
Nepal tangana pangthokpa festival amani festival asida gambling item amati yawjaroi handloom handicraft amadi disabled singi oina sol 20 khudongta thamjai
tongan musical event rock show manipuri matam isai loinana with the star dance competition amadi fashion event kaya su langbal kaikil ubo khungbigani
Please come and enjoy at langbal kaikil
Please come and enjoy at langbal kaikil
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pony TV Prime Time English News at 6:30. 13th World Bamboo Day was observed today at the office complex of Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD Takyel. The observance was organized by Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD, Northeast Center for Technology Application and Research, Nectar, Manipur State Bamboo Mission MSBM and South Asia Bamboo Foundation SABF. Union Minister of State for Education and External Affairs Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Principal Secretary, and Manipur State Bamboo Missions Director S.S. Chabra presided the event. Shiming Jack Huang, National Chung Chang University, Taiwan, Co-Chair India-Taiwan Global Tech Forum, Sapol Bunsarm Suk, Director of Forestry, Foreign Affairs, Royal Thai Forest Department, and Mark Sultan Bambuhe from Philippines were speaking on the theme, A Social Enterprise Scales the Heights of the Bamboo Tree in Philippines as a part of the event. South Asia Bamboo Foundation founder and CEO Kamesh Salam said the event was started observing from the 2009. Even though Manipur produces a lot of bamboo but still cannot compare to Assam, Tripura and Nagaland, bamboo is expensive in Manipur, but nobody knows why or how, therefore a value chain mapping is required.
2009 da Bangkok da hogokibani hogokun numite ngasi bawda World Bamboo Day se Africa da oigera Japan da oigera Korea oigera Vietnam da oigera bamboo hoba jaga da celebrate tore numit ama se bamboo da mutta akoino yoga day mayam na khangbire advaina khoi man India da hogok saba ina hogok saba numit ni mayam na chamiduna ka haini World Bamboo Day se mayam na phajana khangamrina hojik Manipur da ina as a symbolic oina mayam je khomaga ngasi World Bamboo Day program tawjebani Manipur su ngasi atei dei jaga da su World Bamboo Day program gi pau ta ji sumaina tawduna wabu ningsang mai numit ama
The Tangkhul Naga Wungnau Long TNWL and Meitei CHO have agreed to organize a cultural exchange festival Tangkhul Meitei Ngasan Kumai and observe Indigenous Brother Myth annually. The decision was taken during a joint interactive session held at Siri Village today to build a better relation among the indigenous communities. During the event, Tangkhul Naga Long, Tangkhul Naga Wungnau Long, Tangkul Naga Foothills Organization and Valley organizations such as Amuko, Harikaun, UPF, Kangleipak, Kanbalup, Lipun, Lausal, Inat Yokatlup were also present. During random frisking and checking, a total quantity of 1,100 liters of DIC liquor local mat was seized yesterday at around 6:20 p.m. along National Highway number 37 in between Longmai Part 4 and Assam Rifles get from two illegal traffickers by None Police led by Night Duty Officer SI Gailik Kame. The local mat liquor was found carrying from Imphal site in two vehicles which is supposed to be transported to the Menglong for selling. The total cost price of DIC is about 2,75,000 at local rate. One gypsy bearing no registration numbers and one Bolero camper bearing registration number MN07D/2131 have been seized. The names of the drivers were established as Swai Hyam Tui Kame, 25 years, son of Gaikin La Kame of Awangkul Part 1 Village, None District, and Lung Tui Pau Kame, son of Dilinang Kame of Sonpram Village, Tamenglong District. The seized liquors was today disposed of by the None Police personnel in presence of Longmai area, Nisha Band Women team and CSO leaders. Nongchup Imphal Palem Ima Apunbalub Nimpal, in association with its Langtabal branch, today organized an awareness program on the challenges faced by women at Langtabal Kaupum Women's Community Hall. The program was organized under the theme Role of Women in Raising Children. Village Chief Kame Atoime Kabui, President of Nimpal TH Ibeyaima, President of Nimpal Langtabal Branch S. Punima, President of Langtabal Kaupum Women's Society G. Atem, President of Langtabal Kaupum Cultural Club Kame Santa, among others, attended the program as president members. Professor of Economics, Manipur University Chinglen Maisnam, President of Laimakol MC Rita spoke as resource persons during the program. Secretary General of Nimpal Saraisam Santi Lema said the society is so polluted today that many unwanted and awful incidents are occurring on a daily basis. Authority must take a stern action against those involved in rape crime. Only then such incident may discontinue occurring in the state.
Masigi society asida yamna sayatnaba aidi isani isuni adegi isenni haiba yengaktaba akogi society sin ngomono mile khata bi phibam dalakpa lipi singsina kaya gi matik siksinna layanaba amadi asigumna ba society asida phataba mi sangakpada khoina karam nanga tukadagi legana isama sembada mama sina kali thodang logodagi haibna singba asigi matanga akhoi nimpalna ngasi asigumna ba khogumgi akhoi holasida khoina subi awareness se pangthok sabani aduga Kunaya si Inganaba, Aduka Taxi Hasinaina, Isani, Isani, a Sugumba, Semasakanga Sarana Bagida Magda, Quina, Manipuri, Kasingoya, putting the Sugumba, Masayo, Pakamamagi Togdanga, Kayaki Matiksa, Page, Aduka Maziki, Mama, Transiati, Mapa, Suyam, Sinanga, Aduna, Sing Kunaya, Sida Manipur lady, Mama, passing the Masasing, Greatest Way, get again, Sixina, Lovani, Hyperpolicy, and Tamzari.
Sana Kongnang Village Level Federation BLF Charangpad, in collaboration with CAYA, Maichuan, SWYC and WWAC of Charangpad Mamanglekai today cleared bush grown on both sides of Charangpad Mamanglekai Canal. A meeting held after the drive has also resolved to ban using the site for intoxication and immoral activities. MLA of Wangkhem constituency K. Megachandra and women and youths of the neighborhood took part in the drive. A woman told media that the drive was carried out to prevent using the approach roads on both sides of the canal for immoral activities. She also warned anyone defying the decision of the meeting would face stern action. MLA Megachandra lauded the initiatives taken up by the residents in view of the security and lawlessness.
Tungan activity sendi loan kagana laba adagi sani sabu thobak vision laba hai ko pandam yam si provok ai koi kuno maki dai thalai adagi pradhan ki hai ba lok ki hai ba MLA ki hai ba lei tungan hai ko lei ki koi kuno mak amata oina thobak suminaba gyan loksing amada leiba amana share tawba amagi wa amana share tawna kan dai koi afaba samaj ama adagi yamna nuaiba yamna nusinaba yamna peaceful loba shanti loba adagi kayo kai legi da sirista amaga hette amaga nusinadaba nataba amaga nusinaba amaga mati pangnaba haisi kangai khadaba koi pandam koi gida ni.
An Atal Tinkering Laboratory (ATL) has been inaugurated today at Victory High School, Kakching under Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission. The inauguration was organized by Victory High School and Edulife India, Bangalore. Vice Chancellor of DM University, Professor N. Rajmohan, President of School Management Committee, Yankom Dhananjoy, Deputy Commissioner, Chandal M. Rajkumar, Founder of Edulife India, Bangalore, Tokchom Mritenjoy, and Director of Edulife India, Bangalore, Sanju Tokchom, among others, attended the inauguration function. A 6-member team of Preservation Committee of Deported Manipuri War Heroes in Andaman and Nicobar Islands offered ritual of Langban Tarpan at Port Blair. The ritual was offered to those who were brought to Andaman and Nicobar Islands as prisoners of Anglo-Manipuri in 1891, including King KISHORCHANDRA. The team was led by President of the committee Tomba and accompanied by R.K. Sanahanbi, Thongam Siama Khaba, W. Luwang Leima, K. London, and C.H. Dhaneswari. India recorded a total of 5,664 fresh COVID cases along with 35 fatalities, which includes 21 deaths reconciled by Kerala due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,45,34,188. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,337. Taking the daily positivity rate at 0.11%, the recovery rate is recorded at 98.71% as per the data. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines again. Nagaland leader T.R. Cheliang informs NSC and IM agreed to resume peace talks with the government of India over the vexed Naga political issue. Joint leadership of Longmai Village None district decries over slow progress of infrastructure development in complete projects in None district. BJP organizes mega cleanliness drive at different places as part of PM Modi's 72nd birthday celebrations. MLA KH Joy Kisan slams Excise Department for its silence over war against drugs campaign. And India records 5,664 fresh COVID cases along with 35 fatalities in past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV. Keep watching Pony TV for more updates.